This is HPU. This is HPU. Full HPU. Now, this is the board that controls this hydraulic. This is the full hydraulic Fresenius 4008 Class 6 hydraulic. And this is the HPU that controls it. And this is where all the board are connected to in order for this HPU to function. So this is the board. This is the board. And if this board is faulty, the machine can no longer function. You have to change it. You have to change it. This is the concentrate A. This is the concentrate A, which A stands for acid. This concentrate B is B, which stands for bicarbonate. And this space, this is the Nisi chamber. This is the Nisi chamber that carry 8 valves, where both the bicarbonate and the concentrate are meet together. Then these are valves. These are valves. They all have their function. They all have their functions. Then I'm going to be talking about how this machine function and what are the function of all this. How to repair this HPU board. How to repair it, how to connect it, how to change it. I think I have those videos on YouTube, so I want to bring them back to you guys so that you can learn fast. But I'm going to be teaching you here. If you follow it up, you can work with it, and you can also, you can also get a certificate for it and get a job with it. So see you next time.